Hey fellas, sorry for not posting in a while. We've been kind of busy, as you can see. I've been busy with some school and some work and stuff, but we've been having at it, trying to crawl over and under everywhere. Over here, the floor is gone, as you can see. The old floor is right here with all of the other junk stuff. We've got all the new plates, all the new weld fitments, this new trunk floor, and the other floors up there for the passenger or the driver's side of the vehicle. The channels, or whatever you call it here. We needed to create some new ones because they weren't in the best of shapes. Let's see, do we have any of the... No, it ain't that. Let's see if I can. And we've put in these stiffeners to stiffen the whole car up, because the Impalas and stuff, they aren't very stiff, as we know. So we've primed inside the channel here, and as we maybe saw, we've got some new channels that we got from our local steel supplier, which gave them the correct bends and stuff. And we got all the other this is a body mount for the rear, and some other stuff that's gonna have to come up. I'll see if I can give you a better... Here we are. So as we see, she's all clean and primed. And I really don't know what they're called. Yeah, the rocker panels. They're in like the 3-piece rocker channel configuration, I guess. I just made a quick drawing here. You got this. This is your outer channel. That's this part right here, and you got your little midsection, which was the other one you saw, and then you got the outer one, which the floor sits on. So that the other one just spots weld into this place. Comes over a bit. We'll see it probably. I'll go over and show you. And it'll just come straight up and give us a little lip for us to place the the new floor. That's my dad's working spot. It's incredibly fun to stay in this cramped, tight space with a welder and a grinder and everything. And so I've been out here and cleaning up the firewall, priming the firewall, and putting some new body silicone on. Get everything so that it doesn't get in some water. So yeah, here you see the floor will rest on top of here, and this will be the middle section. And we got some more to weld. I guess people don't want to do it right the first time. And which here you also actually can see right here. There shouldn't be a hole here. Should just be a flat. You can see, probably see one of the walls if I can focus. Yeah, so we got some rocker channels, rockers to fix. Then we'll get the floor in. I will just. We didn't buy a new floor for the passenger side because these tubs are actually in a pretty good condition. You can see some bare metal here, and also in the front. We've got some patchwork to do. Probably, I don't know if you can see the hole right there, but other than that, got some more repairs just to do. Some here and there. Got some mice that like to eat the old stuff that's in the trunk. Well, I do the floor first. We got some more problems over there, as you can see. Engine wise and stuff like that, we haven't done any, not that much. I got a new rubber mount for the transmission, and fixed up the exhaust a bit. And it's really cozy when it's cold here. It's beginning to get it a little bit cold, but it's been a weird winter. And we also bought a new fuel tank because the old one's got a couple of holes in it, and thus we just bought a new old fuel tank. So I've just been grinding it clean and ready to get some primer and some paint. It's got a couple of bumps here and there, but it'll hold. Yeah, so we got 10 degrees C in here right now. It's probably more like 7 degrees C outside in December. I'm filming this on the 2nd of December. So it's a warm, looks like it's gonna be a warm Christmas here in Norway. But yeah, that's the progress. That's been the progress that we've gotten to right now. I'll try to see if I can film some more actually while we work. I don't know if y'all want some just update videos or pure work videos and see how we like to work, how we do stuff. I've been practicing a lot recently on trying to get my welding game up a notch. I actually made a boom tube, NASCAR style boom tube, just to practice on the welds, grind something. That's badass. Some tubing that I cut in half and welded to make at least some decibel and stuff like that. And these were like the first ones I tried because this is quite thin steel. And I've gotten a lot better from when I started there. So yeah, and wiper motor is cleaned up a bit. Probably needs a little bit more love. Got a handbrake wire wheel that goes on the firewall. We also have, we can look in the, got a new Impala storage closet shelf. The old brake cylinder, brake main brake. She's overhauled and painted. That came out really nice. This is two-stage lacquer, two-stage paint, same as we use on frame. The speeding, the speed stuff, some brake line, the brake line from the main cylinder to frame, and the blower for the heater. So can't wait to put those on. That will be fun. Just some new parts here. So yeah, that's been the update. So let me know if y'all want to see more, like more work videos, or more just like up-to-date stuff. So yeah, have a great day, and talk to you next time.